Hi, hello. So in the previous two videos, I talked about how you can find the volume of rectangular frustum as well as a square frustum. In this video, I'm just going to talk about how you can find the volume of a conical frustum. In case you don't know what the frustum is, but you can actually watch my other videos. I explained about what a frustum is. But anyway, to answer this question came in 2019 GCE. It's saying the diagram below shows a frustum 2QRS of a cone. So they are telling us that we should take pi to be 3.142. The figure we have been given is this one. The formulae are the ones that you can use for a right frustum. So in this case, it's a conical frustum. So the formula for finding the volume of a conical frustum becomes something that looks like this. It's pi h divided by 3 r squared minus small letter r squared. So what do these letters mean? V means volume, which is something that we are trying to find. Then this is a pi, this is the height of a frustum. Then capital letter R means the radius of the bigger base. Then the small letter r, it means the radius of a smaller base. The radius is half of diameter, which means that when you look at this diagram, from here up to here, it is what we call as the diameter. So as we are considering the radius, so my radius here, that's combining two radii, that's how we can get the diameter. But as we are considering the radius. So the reason sometimes in your exam, instead of them giving you a radius, they may actually give you the diameter. So for example, in this case, they may say from T to S, they may give you 6 there. So what is half of 6? It is a 3. So you always consider a half of a diameter for you to get what? The radius. So this question was straightforward because we are actually given radii. So in this case, we identify what our h is. We know that our h, in this case, it's 10. Then capital letter R, it's 8. And small letter r, it's 3. So we start putting the values now in this formula. So we have V equals to pi. We've been told that we are supposed to use 3.142, then times the height, which is 10, divide by 3, then capital letter R there, it's 8. So you write 8 squared minus small letter r, it's a 3. So you write 3 squared there. Then in your exam, because of time, you can actually do this straight away. You say, using your calculator, you say 3.142 times 10 divided by 3. When you get that answer, you open bracket, then in that bracket you put 8 squared minus 3 squared, then you close bracket. Then you go on the equal sign there. You'll be able to get the direct answer. But now I want us to do this step by step so that you understand very quickly and without difficulties. So what we have is when you multiply 3 times 142 times 10, what you get is 1.42. Then divide by 3. Then 8 squared, it gives you 64. Minus 3 squared, it gives you 9. Mind you, here in your exam, people make mistakes. When they see a square there, for example, here we have 3 squared. It means 3 times 3. Don't say 3 times 2, no. So it is 3 times 3. You'll be able to get 9. Here it is 8 times 8, not 8 times 2, no. It's 8 times 8, which gives you 64. So when you do your calculation there, what you have is 3142. Here you are going to have 55. So you put 55 there, then divide by a 3. When you multiply 31.42 times 55, the answer you get is 1728. So it's 1728.1. Then you divide this by 3, and your answer you get is 576.03 centimeters cubed. Just like that. So you see, the working started from there, and you're supposed to follow it bit by bit until you get that 6 marks, because this question is going to carry 6 marks in your exam. Thank you very much for watching, and if there are any questions, just get back to me on WhatsApp. We can discuss more on this one. Thank you.